Hello friends, in this video I shall discuss about management commands in Django. Usually in Django we use management commands like to run the web server we use run server, and we use command like start app to create a new app. So we can also create a custom management command to manipulate the records in our web application, or to do any changes quickly in our web application. So this custom management command can also be used to schedule something that can be used in a task scheduler on Windows, and that management command can be also used in cron tab on Linux to schedule something, to run something regularly, or to quickly do anything using a management command. So let us check how to create a custom management command in our test project. So I have a text project with a name Django tutorial, and I have already created a test1 underscore app. If I go to models.py, I have this articles model which have title description as the fields, and articles with title description are saved here. So using these models, we will create some management command to manipulate the records in this model. So let us create a management command. So go to your app. I have one app, test1 underscore app, and right click on it and just create a folder or directory with the name management. And inside the management folder you need to create a file. This is the init.py, and inside the management directory yet create another folder with name commands, and then create again a init file here, and inside the commands you can create your commands. Just right click it and create a new file. I am typing here get reports .py. So in this get reports.py file I shall type the code for the command. Let us check how to do this. So import some package from Django and .core .management. You need to import base command. Just import the base command, and we shall be using the article models to create some simple reports. So from models I am importing the articles model. So to create the command you need to create a class with the name command, and having the parent as base command. So just type a help here, brief reports on articles. So after done this you need to add arguments. Just type here add underscore arguments. So we shall be not supplying any argument. I shall be creating a simple command here so that you can understand it better, and just type pass here. We don't need any arguments for our command. We shall just type the command, it will run without supplying any additional arguments. So we are not adding any arguments for the time being. So at first create a simple command only, and then just type the handle. So you need to correct this, just correct this, and we shall supply some actions here so that user gets some output. So let me use the articles model. So let me check total count articles dot objects dot count. It will give us the total number of articles in our project in the model database articles. So today count let us type another ORM query. We need to get the articles which are posted today, and we need a import date time module and supply the today date here so that we can get the number of articles which is posted today. Just type count here, published count. We want to know the articles which are published, number of articles which are published. So is underscore published, we have a field with name is underscore published, just supply it true, so we shall get the count of articles which are published. So in simple terms you can just use the print command here and just type something like the total number of articles is, in the curly brackets just put total count here. So I will typing yet another print here, type f, which is f strings, the number of articles posted today is, in the curly brackets just type today count, and I shall quickly type the another print here, the number of published articles is, so in the curly bracket published count. So we have a simple command now already created by us. So what will be the name of the command? Name of the command will be the name of the file, that is get reports. Get reports will be the name of the command. So just go here and in the terminal you need to type the name of the command, which is get reports, and just see what happens. So you can see that reports have been generated here. It is a brief report. So I have used just simple print parameters here, just print. I have used the print function here, and you can also do something better. Instead of using print, you can use the standard output, that is std output, which is the standard output for commands. Just type right here, and to give a better style just put here sub.style success. We want a success output, and just type the complete strings here. We need this string, we need this string, then we need also this string, and we need this string as well. Having done this, just you can erase this one. We don't need this now. Just delete these lines and just save the file, and you can have some better output now. So you can see that the output is in green now, or you can also make line breaks here. Just put here backslash n. We shall break lines here and just run the command again. So let me save the file and let me clear the screen, and you can see that the output is generated in different lines now, and it is in green. So this is very simple command without any arguments. It is not taking any arguments, and you have the simple output here. But if you want, you can also create some complicated command which needs some arguments to run. So let us create yet another command. So let me create another file here. Unpublish article. We will create another command with name unpublish article.py. So just import the requirements here. We need the base command, and we also need the command error, and we also need our model. So create a class with name command base command and type a help here. Unpublish article based on article IDs. So we will supply one or more IDs to unpublish an article. Let us see how we can do this. Just add arguments here, and let us add an argument here. Let me correct this one, and I can show you how to add arguments. So type here parser dot add argument, and just type the any name here. I shall be typing article underscore IDs. We need to supply an ID of the article to unpublish it, and then again type an arguments equal to plus, so that we can type more than one ID, and this is required. Then type data type will be int, ID will be supplied as integer only. So after this just type the handle command. It will be the action we required here. So collect all this. So just type the logic here. So just typing the logic. I am using the for loop for article underscore ID. Let me correct the spelling. For article underscore ID in options. So options will be article underscore IDs. The IDs which are supplied by user, it can be 1 or 2. So we can check each ID. and just type here try. We will use a try clause and just type here articles dot objects dot get id equal to article underscore id, and if id is not available, if wrong id is supplied by the user, so you need to raise a command error here, and type string here no article found for the article id as, just type the article underscore id variable here. So we shall raise a error if wrong id has been supplied by the user, and if everything went as we accept, so just type article dot is underscore publish false, so that article will get unpublished, and just save it to the database. And having done this, you need to give a standard output dot write and give a style to your output. Let me put a style here. I shall be using the success which get a green color here. The article with id article underscore id unpublished successfully. So you can see that we have written the complete code here. So we need to check now if everything is working. So the name of our command is unpublished article, which is the name of our file, unpublished article .py. So complete command is here. I shall also type this code in the description as well. So just we need to check it. Let us check if everything is working. So unpublished article, we need to supply an id here. So let me do it without supplying any id. So you can see that an error has been raised here that it need the articles underscore id. So you need to supply an id here. This command accept an argument. So I am supplying any id here, just supplying one here. So it says no article found for the article id as 1. Let me supply 2 here. I think these articles have been deleted by me. Let us supply 9 here. So you can say this article with id 9 is available here, and command runs successfully. It has been unpublished successfully. You can also supply more than one id here. So you can see that you can supply more than 2 IDs here, and this is how management commands are created. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.